Hello everyone. So it's quite a cold start this morning. There's quite a frost this morning. It's about -6. I think it was about -7 last night. But yeah, we've been quite busy this week. Not many videos out this week because we're having asphalt, or tarmac as we would call it in the UK. We're having that put down on the drive and in front of the gates just behind me there, and a path going all the way round the house. So we're doing this just before winter sets in, but it should all be okay. And the guys have already started some of the preparation work to hopefully start laying or start putting down the asphalt today. They're going to be coming in about an hour. But yeah, it should just finish off kind of where all the flood damage was done to the ground, especially outside at the front where it's all quite muddy and it washed a lot of the stones and sand away and things like that. So yeah, they spent all day preparing the grounds, which I'll show you now just behind me. But yeah, I'll show you the progress of that throughout the day, so make sure you watch to the end, because hopefully they'll have that complete by this evening as well, and then we should have some lovely black tarmac or asphalt down, so it makes it a little bit easier. Now winter's getting in, because yeah, it can get quite muddy and in places where yeah, the stones have kind of eroded away when the flood waters were here. So yeah, exciting times. Let me know what you think in the comments, and try following us over on Telegram as well. So I'll just switch the camera around and show you some of the ground preparations and the progress throughout the day. Enjoy. So yeah, this is the area we're going to have the majority of the asphalt down in front of the house just behind the gate. So it's this drive. So floodwaters and the winter did erode quite a lot of the concrete away, so we are going to asphalt all of this and the path going round as well. They put the metal bars in because that's the asphalt will be about 5 centimeters, so all those metal bars go right round the path as well. We were thinking about putting block pavings in, but they would have had to have dug quite a lot of the ground away and then concrete in. And as you know, I've only just laid all the grass seed, so I didn't want them really ruining all the grass this side of Christmas. So we've gone for the metal kind of beams, which have been screwed down, and then that will hold the asphalt in. So the asphalt will come to the top of the metal bar there. But this goes all the way round. I'll just walk you part of the way around the house. So we've gone for the asphalt all the way around because the flood waters did cause a few damages to the concrete. There was cracks, and obviously it was kind of eroding away in a few places, so it should seal all of this area that goes up to the house as well now. So yeah, it's gonna kind of be all of the path going all the way round, not the patio area. We are going to put tiles down there, but we've been told not to put tiles down this side of winter now, so we'll wait till next year. But it'll go right the way around the house, and then in the front as well, because this is kind of the worst bit for now getting muddy, not where we've got kind of the plants and things, but especially as you go through the gates. And yeah, as you can see, it's quite frosty, it is quite cold. Yeah, so cars just there, so they put paving stones down right to the end. So we're leaving, sorry, just wait for the car. So we're leaving the bit in the middle there. That's going to be for trees and things like that. So that's going to be soil, and then we've just set our boundaries with the end of our kind of fence there to the neighbour, and then where the sand starts, there's going to be enough area for one car there. Obviously, a walkway up to our gate in, and then the double gates here. You should be able to park 3 cars across here if we ever have any guest rounds, and then again the paving stone at the end. So they're going to bring a load of stones today, obviously squash them into the ground, and then all of this area right up into the drive should have some lovely new asphalt or tarmac down. So this is where it was getting quite muddy as we were driving in, obviously walking in, so it'd be nice to have it finished. And then this side as well, so we should be able to park 1, 2, 3 cars right to the end if ever needed, but obviously the access then right up to the drive, and it should finish it off really, really nicely then. And then we've left quite a nice area for planting more trees and flowers. I'm not going to grass that front bit, just leave it as it is. But it's a beautiful morning. As you can see, it's quite frosty. There's quite a frost on the car this morning and all the way up. But yeah, some exciting kind of news really. But yeah, been waiting to finish this off, and yeah, we're going to get it done before the snow comes, and then it should be all set for winter, and then it'd be nice to have it once spring comes next year again. So yeah, it's exciting day really, but I thought I would just update you with a few things that are going on with that. I will update you towards the end of the video with the finished kind of asphalt as well. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Let me know what you think in the comments. So that's the asphalt finished. Yeah, they've done a really good job. It's first thing in the morning here. It's a bit wet actually, so it did rain overnight, but the asphalt is all okay. So I'll just switch the camera around now and show you the completed job. We're actually very happy with it. The guys did an excellent job over the last 2 days. They were finishing off yesterday. It did actually start snowing a bit, but yeah, it was good to do it now before winter sets in. I'm just happy we managed to get the job finished. So let's take a look at the finished job. So yes, this is going to be the main drive, and obviously the gates open up onto the road. We did actually go right the way round with the path as well, because the concrete path was actually quite damaged from the floods as well. There's quite a few cracks, so it's sealed all that now, and it's sealed it right up to the edge of the house as well. So that goes right the way round, which we're actually very, very happy with. And then obviously as you come this way, we did do the front of it as well. So it's actually now for space for about 4 cars. And then we left the very end for some nice trees and some greenery as well. So flowers, trees, things like that come spring. Bit of tidying up to do, but yeah, we're happy with that. It's now all the mud is gone, pretty much everything like that. So yeah, it's nice to be able to walk through our gate up, and yeah, just no mud. We will finish the porch as well with some tiles matching, but yeah, it's happy days.